Let's go to CommSec. Tom Piotrowski with a look at the markets this morning. How are we shaping up today, Tom?
Pete, not too bad actually. The futures are indicating that the local share market will kick off with a reasonable improvement of just under 0.5%. So that reflects a fairly constructive session as far as Northern Hemisphere stock markets were concerned last night. We have threaded the needle on an important outcome overnight, Pete, with the US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell heading up to Capitol Hill to spend 2 days testifying before committees in the Senate and the House of Representatives last night in prepared remarks that were widely circulated. We've seen no departure really from what the US Federal Reserve Chairman has spoken out about before in terms of the environment for growth and inflation and the timing of rate cuts. So that is important in terms of what the markets understood going into this, and significantly there hasn't been much change in relation to the expectations around the timing of a rate cut. So there's still a 2 in 3 chance that we'll see a US rate cut in June, and that has basically been in line with what was previously understood. That's helped stocks, but they've lost a little bit of ground in the last half an hour. We've got the S&P 500 up by around 0.75% and the Nasdaq up by about 0.75%. We've seen support for commodities overnight, so copper prices are higher, gold higher as well. Oil tried its hand above $80 a barrel. It's pulled back a little bit since then in light of the US benchmark, and we've also seen Albemarle shares recover. So this is significant, Pete, for the local lithium sector. It's been tainted by the volatility in Albemarle shares in the last couple of days as they sought to sell shares to raise capital. The stock was down by 18% yesterday. It's recovered a little bit since. It's up by about 7% this session.
Okay. Tom, thank you.